Hi designers, this is Miss Stapp here with you an overview of what our assignment is today. We're exploring color theory. There's a little video you can click on the top. It's about, I think, 20 minutes long, and it talks about a tea company and explains color theory and how they use color theory in their products. At the bottom of this page, you're going to find a list, and it will tell you what your color assignment is. I've got some research questions for you to consider as you're organizing an outline. And do understand that we are just making an outline today. The research questions are, what are the origins of the color you've been assigned? What is the meaning of the color to our society? And if you add this color, your assigned color, to a design, how will that color impact the potential consumer? And this is your idea based on your research. So take what you've learned and create a claim, which is your conclusion as well. So look at the research questions. Do the research. You must have at least 3 reliable resources. For instance, a website for a reputable organization, some journal article from EBSCO, a book from JSTOR, something. They have to be 3 reliable. You'll fill out the outline below. You're going to see that. And create a full thesis statement. Most of this is an outline, but there is a full thesis statement required. Also, create a bibliography. Okay, your bibliography should be appropriately formatted, MLA. You're going to submit the outline and the bibliography to ManageBac before 11:55 for credit. There is a link that will take you to EBSCO, and there is also, I've put the log in there again for you. For your essay, your thesis must be complete. Everything else can be phrases or paraphrases. Make sure that you've included all 3 pieces of research in your outline. They should be cited correctly in your bibliography. And I would include the in-text citation in my outline. Your conclusion and claim, connecting your research to your claim on impact on the target consumers has to be clear. Here is the outline that you will fill out. So you put the introduction. Again, this can be some phrases telling me what your introduction paragraph would be like. Your full and complete thesis statement that includes the research questions and your claim. What would go into your paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, and an outline of your conclusion. All right. That is what you will do for today. Be prepared to talk about that in the next class and be able to articulate your research and that connection to your claim of your color. Have a great day. Good luck. Make sure you don't work more than this class period worth. I hope this only takes you about 30 to 45 minutes to complete in entirety, and I will see you next time.